Welcome to TechFit News. I'm your host, and here is your daily digest of the biggest breakthroughs and shifts in the world of technology. Today, Apple prepares a massive product blitz for 2026. Nvidia pours billions into OpenAI to secure AI dominance. Tesla retires its flagship models to make room for robots. And a legendary era ends at Microsoft. First up, Apple is gearing up for one of its most ambitious years in a decade. Rumors and supply chain leaks suggest more than 20 new products are slated for 2026. The centerpiece of this roadmap is a brand new smart home hub featuring a touch display and an AI powered Siri designed to be the brain of the modern household. We are also expecting the debut of the iPhone 17e, new iPad Airs powered by the M4 chip, and a complete refresh of the MacBook Pro line with the highly anticipated M5 series processors. It appears Apple is moving toward a faster, more aggressive hardware cycle to keep pace with the rapid evolution of generative AI. In the world of high stakes investments, Nvidia has officially injected approximately $30 billion into OpenAI. While the final figure came in lower than the initially rumored $100 billion, the deal still values OpenAI at a staggering $830 billion. This isn't just a cash infusion, it's a strategic loop. OpenAI will reportedly use the majority of these funds to purchase NVIDIA's next generation Blackwell and Rubin GPUs, essentially ensuring that NVIDIA remains the primary infrastructure provider for the world's most advanced AI models. Meanwhile, a major era in the electric vehicle industry is coming to a close. Elon Musk has confirmed that Tesla will cease production of the Model S and Model X in the second quarter of 2026. These flagship vehicles, which pioneered the modern EV movement, are being retired to facilitate a massive pivot in strategy. Tesla plans to retool its Fremont factory to focus on the mass production of its humanoid robot Optimus. With goal of producing 1 million robots per year, Tesla is signaling its final transformation from an automaker into a robotics and AI powerhouse. Turning to the stars, the space industry is hitting new milestones this February. SpaceX is preparing for a record breaking 33rd flight of a single Falcon 9 first stage booster, pushing the limits of orbital reusability. On the NASA front, while the Artemis 2 mission has seen a slight shift in its launch window for additional safety checks, the successful arrival of the Crew 12 mission at the International Space Station marks a seamless start to the year's crewed operations. Finally, a significant shakeup in tech leadership. Phil Spencer is stepping down as the head of Microsoft's gaming division after a remarkable 38-year career at the company. Under his leadership, Xbox evolved from a console brand into a massive cross platform ecosystem. Taking the helm is Asha Sharma, who is expected to prioritize the deep integration of AI into the gaming experience. In related news, Meta is beginning the rollout of facial recognition features for its smart glasses, a move that is already sparking fresh debates over privacy and the future of wearable surveillance. That's it for today's edition of TechFit News. We'll see you in the next one.